This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your phone number on the Signal app. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Signal here. I have the Signal app opened up now. To hide your phone number from other people on Signal, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the left side pane. I'm going to go up to the top. You want to make sure your left side pane is opened up. If you click on this, it opens and closes it. You want to make sure it's open. Then you'll go straight down to the bottom left-hand corner, down to the gear wheel. You want to click on the gear wheel. That opens up Settings, and on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side here, you want to go to the Privacy tab. Click on Privacy. Then at the very top up here, Phone Number. Choose who can see your phone number and who can contact you on Signal with it. Click on the Change button. At the very top, who can see your phone number? Everybody or nobody. It says your phone number will not be visible to anybody unless they have it saved in their phone contacts. If you have nobody checked, nobody can see your phone number. Down below that, who can find your phone number? Everybody or nobody. If you check everybody, it says anyone who has your phone number will see you're on Signal and can start chats with you. If you toggle on nobody, it says, are you sure? If you change who can find me by my number to nobody, it will make it harder for people to find you on Signal. You would just click on OK. That is how to hide or show your phone number on the Signal app. Thanks for watching.